Welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you are doing vlogging, then I hope that you are learning everything day by day. If you are not learning everything, anything new day by day, just uh, check out this channel daily. You will learn something new. So in under blogging topic, we are going to talk today about custom robots header tag settings. So if you are new, you are thinking about this, like what is custom robots header tags and how to set this. So today I'm going to tell everything about this, uh, how you can set this setting in your website. So guys, if you are using Blogger, then this video is absolutely for you. So let's start now. So you must have seen this option in your settings, enable custom robots header text. Above of this you are watching custom robots text file is here. If you don't know how to add this file, then you can check my video about this topic. Then you can add your own custom robots text file, because it's necessary to tell about Google that your website exists, and you are giving permission to Google to crawl your content or search results. So you can check under blogging category, you will find this video. So next talk about enable custom robots header text. So guys, by default you will find this disable, so you will have to first enable it. So now you will find three categories: home page tags, archive, and search page tags, post page tags. So we are going to set these all. First, home page tags. What is home page tags? There are many categories like all, no index, no follow, none. Everyone tell you that you should just enable all, but do you know what is the meaning of enabling this all option? I hope you know about it. All means allowing Google to crawl all content on the site, but we are going to discuss here about all things like no index, no follow. So let's tell you now about these all. So all, if you are giving permission to Google that your all content is ready to be crawled, then you should enable here only all. This is enough. You should ignore all the remaining options. So no index. What is no index? If you want that Google should not index your site, then you have to enable no index. But there is no reason that you will want that Google should not crawl your site, because this is the aim you are doing blogging for. So next is no follow. If you want that Google crawlers should not follow your content, then you can click here. None. If you want that none should be crawled from the site, you can click on none. No archive. If you want no archive should be crawled, then click here. No snippet. Snippet means text under your content. So if you want that no snippet should be crawled by Google, click here. No DP. This is need to be enabled if you want that no images of your site should be crawled by Google crawlers. Next, no translate. No translate means you are disallowing from translating your content, so you can click here. So these are the options. There are some others also. No image index. If you want no image index, no any single image index, then you should click here. Unavailable after. If you want to set any date from which it should be unavailable, then you should click here. So these are the options. I hope you have known about it. So now what is your need, you should set for that, according to that. So I have clicked here all, because if definitely I am giving permission to crawl all of my content. So next, home page text, it has happened. Now archiving search pages. So there are also same options. You have to choose whatever you need and do the setting. uh, must know about custom logo text for archiving search pages. This setting is about archiving search pages. Next is post and page text. Custom robot text for posts and pages. Whatever posts and pages are on your site, this setting is for those pages and posts. So you can choose whatever you want. So guys, if you are new, then you should definitely choose all. If you get pro time by time, like after 2-3 years of your blogging, you should set all these options if there is any need. Otherwise, there is no need to set. All is perfect. So this was custom robot text for posts and pages. I hope you got the information and you have liked the video. So I will meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Keep learning, grow. Okay. Thank you for watching.